Hi, this is the Galaxy A05s and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we could see, the face unlock works here correct and fast, and we just unlocked the device without any problems, just in 1 second. So that is the cool result for the face unlock, and you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.